I I don't even know where to start right now. I don't know where to start. I promised myself I wouldn't cry, but I guess I have to do it. So I will be quitting YouTube.
No man.
Yes, I will be quitting YouTube because why are you looking at me?
So I'll make you a quit now.
Eh?
I'll make you plan to quit.
Why may I quit? Because it's too much. It's just too much. And realize that like YouTube is not for me, right? And it takes so long to get whatever you want. You have to get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, and that is just, well, for a person like me, I think that is too much. And I am so sorry for if I have any loyal subscriber, anyone who really down to earth and watch my videos and everything, look out for my posts and everything. I am very sorry. I'm truly sorry. And just don't expect to see anything else from me. Yeah, that's it. But to all those who just started.
What did me hear you tell your cousin said she have to quit? I know you are quit. Yes, you quit her. Really like you.
Okay. Anyone who start YouTube decides they don't want to start YouTube. Oh no, trust me, it's a lot of work. It's not just putting yourself out there, because most time people, my audience, I don't know if I even have an audience, because no one even comments on them. Well, people comment, yes, but me doing the post notification shout out thing, I guess that's what helped me to get comments, likes, and views. Yeah, and 4,000 hours of watch time, I'm not then nowhere near. 1,000 subscribers, I'm not then nowhere near. And it is almost 12 months. Yes, 12 months. It's almost a year, right? So, guys, yeah, that's just it. I don't think I should make this video any longer, because y'all not gonna see my face again. So I just may have to do things for catch audience.
People say everything we are doing is like a copy thing.
Copy thing.
People want to say I go to neck and if you put on some silver and
Yeah, that's what they want. If me there wear bikini, false eyelash.
no,
Not even, I'm not gonna go there, but yeah, them want to say outrageous things that are different. But I'm not a person like that, obviously, because none of my content them not intriguing. Yeah, so I guess. Well,
so in this case, apparently you lost everything.
I don't lose anything.
So we are.
Well, I lost my time, because I've been putting out my efforts every time just for people to be watching, and it hurts inside and it hurts outside. Sometimes I got a bit depressed knowing that yeah, that may I cut out that motivational channel there too. I'm done. I'm done, because nobody, no one. I just have 30 odd subscribers upon that channel, and I'm trying to put myself out there. I don't know, people more gravitate. Oh, I forgot to say this. Mascara, thanks for the encouragement. Thank you. But I made up my mind. A cup of tea. Continue on your journey. You're gonna reach there, girl. And don't give up. Don't give up like I did. I'm giving up because I have school. I go to school, I work, and then what? Miss Kitty wouldn't like that. Stop, you're gonna make me feel like more and cry. I know. Yeah, but what is it?
We know quickers, easy quickers. He's just like every other quicker.
I'm like,
Feeling it. Brave a friend, a quick up friend.
quit up, friend. That's, you know what? You're not making this any better for me.
You are hard it out to you. After
More I cry. I feel like mother cry. I feel
Don't cry.
hurt. But
do like spice.
it's a hard decision.
Don't do
I
that.
feel away, but
Yeah, do like spice. Feel away.
I feel away. But it's a decision that I have to make. So you're still gonna do YouTube? You.
When we go there for something, the first 3 something we put up, I'll give me a million likes.
You see, and you don't even want to encourage me for come on my
Me,
channel and
why me must encourage those?
no.
You want us to quit us, you quit us though.
Alright, so
I want next time you want. Hey, try bother me when you want to know more adventure. Sit with them adventure, you're going to knock the hell out before the adventure. Look how much I like that guy who come take up me at their swim. That's what I'm
you didn't put in enough time with me, Julian.
Alright, camera is not my thing here. So if it's something to do with camera, if it's not dancing, you're going to have a problem with me. For me to stand still in front of a camera and speak, I don't like that shit. I'm not that type of person. I would hide myself and speak. That I'm more comfortable. You have to do something to actually catch your audience. Dance.
I can't dance.
Well, a liar, you see, that's the thing already.
I can't dance. I can't
There's
do.
no such thing as can't. I can't just never listen. You have to listen.
I see that video and get discouraged as well, you know. But
My daughter already knows that her cousin is not good enough.
nothing but a quitter. I don't quit. You ever see me quit nothing?
Well, apparently you're a quitter. Because you're starting now.
Alright, so my final goodbyes.
I'm telling you, get a man.
You really make me laugh. I mean, oh my God, she is just why?
Because there's some sad story.
I have to explain to the people them why I feel like I tell them say because you know
Nobody
it.
need to know. Everybody traumatized from COVID. Them don't need more traumatization.
Well, I
Just
guess,
say bye-bye and come on. Backside will chat.
but them not gonna see me again.
And so hold on. So if you leave, now ask your question. Social media stop? Yeah, Jesus, them just have a bounce.
I was what would I call it? Say in the making. You see me?
You what? Talk good, car. I like when people be clarified with me and straight. Because you have come tell me about you.
Me can't even go to my ear.
No, sir.
Look on my head.
Yeah, seriously, sister.
Anyways, as I said,
Yeah, people should in the making.
I was. Alright, all I want to say is that this was a prank. I am not, never, as I'm saying, it's a prank. I will never, never give up in life. That is not an option. That is, but that is no option right now. Never give up in anything you do. Not even if you even start something and you realize that you're just so far. You see me? And you feel discouraged at times. Remember why you started. Right? Me know why me start, so I'm not giving up.
I don't know if people have a purpose to start something. Yeah.
That is true. But
let us start truth. Come like that truth, you know. Yeah. I don't know if people like that, some that people follow fashion.
I never give up. I said there ain't no giving in. I can't sing, but the going get tough. Said the tough get go. Alright, anyways, I hope I tricked someone. Because but you want tricky uno plus trick she. A she me do really want trick, but I want trick uno. So I have to make it realistic, like my start talk and everything. You see me? And this is the stress relief spray. It's a aromatherapy. Yes, I'm stressed, but I'm handling my stress. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.